Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're checking out Geek Smart. This is a smart door lock. So we're going to be unboxing and showing you guys what you get. You can app unlock and lock. You can use a key, RF tag, virtual password. Works with Google and Alexa. Couple more things on the back here you guys can pause and check out if you want. So we're just going to show you guys what it looks like and everything that you get. We won't be installing this yet. Once we get a new door and a system, then we will. But as you guys can see how it works with what door. Okay, this is everything in the box. You get a manual, you get a mounting alignment card. This is it. Really nice looking. Really nice and stylish as well. They provide you with everything you need to make this work. I personally cannot wait to actually get using this. Want to get a new door and swap all that out first. No point in installing this right now because this is really nice. Like, this is a really nice kit, so there's no point in actually installing it now then ripping it out once we get a new door set up. So we're gonna wait and then install this. So we'll do an updated video once we do that in the future, but it definitely is a really nice kit. If you guys are looking for a smart lock, I mean, this is really stylish. And you could just tell by looking at it that it's high quality build. I mean, it's all metal. You know, this is mostly metal. Really nice.